Okay, question 8. Use the quadratic formula to solve this here. Okay, give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Now, for quadratic formula to work, you need to get in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. That's clearly not the case here. So what you're going to need to do is multiply all of this out, right? You're going to need to expand it all. So remember, the first part there is a double bracket. Okay. And then when you do FOIL on this, first you get 9x squared. Outers you get minus 3x. Inners you get minus 3x. Last you get plus 1. Multiply this out, you get 2x squared plus 3x times by x, and then you've got your 7 at the end. Get everything now onto one side. So 9x squared, this is minus 6x, isn't it? Plus 1, and if you bring this over, minus 2x squared minus 3x, take the 7 over, minus 7 equals 0. And then this becomes 7x squared, 9 take away 2, minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9x, 1 minus 7 is minus 6 equals 0. Okay, so you've got yourself now a quadratic, and then we can solve this then using 2 decimal places. So what we do then is set a to be 7, that term there, b to be minus 9, and c to be minus 6. Okay, so with the quadratic formula then, you've got, which is given to you, x equals minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we chuck the numbers in. So we've got minus b, so you've got minus 9 there. Now when it is a minus number, put it in a bracket. Okay, plus or minus then square root, as I said, minus 9, so put that in a bracket. Take away 4 times a, which is 7, times c, which is minus 6, all over 2a, so that's 2 times 7. Let's simplify this a bit now. So you've got minus 9 becomes plus 9, plus or minus square root. Now, what I'll do now is I'll work all this out here first, right? I'll work this out on my calculator. Of course, I need to put a square there. I forgot to write that there. So my calculator, minus 9 squared, minus 4 times 7 times minus 6. As I said, don't put the square root in, just work out what's inside it, 249. All over then this, which is 14. So you've got your two answers. X is equal to 9 plus square root of 249 over 14, or x equals 9 minus square root of 249 over 14. So x will equal, let's write this in. So we get 1.77 to 2 decimal places, and then put the minus version in. You get minus 0.48 as your answer.